Hey, welcome back. This is Kevin with the Cross Country Garage, and we're painting the T-frame. Right now, this is in a black acrylic enamel, and we're getting ready to lay down some color blender with some hold on, one-handed here, some Little Daddy Roth Flake greasy black. So just to add a little bit of bedazzle to the actual black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the front of the chassis up to about here with the flake. Then I'm going to run it just down pretty much the sides, because after that you don't see it at all. So there's no reason to have flake here when the body's right on top of it. So at that point it's just getting wasteful. So you can see that all the holes are taped up right now. So this color blender is basically a carrier. I'm using it as a carrier for this flake, and it dries pretty darn quick. This way the flake will stay put, and I could start getting into my regular clear coat very soon after that. The reason you want to use that is because usually regular urethane clear takes a long time to dry, and at that point your metal flake will travel. It'll just start running down to the bottommost part of wherever you have painted if it's not locked in good. So here's where we're gonna start off. Not sure how good of a video I'm gonna make for you, but I'm not going to go through the mixture on this video with it, just because the way I'm set up right now. I will do it next time, I promise. When I do the gold on the car, I'll have a little bit of a better setup. This is kind of like a little pilot test here. So, but I will try to video. I'm going to put you in this plastic bin in here, sit you inside the bottom, and we'll see how long you could see through it while I'm spraying it. You know, for the flake itself. So we'll see what happens. I just don't want to. I don't want to ruin my GoPro here. So let me get mixed up, and then I will turn you on, and you're going to be in this little plastic bin. I'll probably set you over here, and you could watch probably from about this view. Sound good? All right, we're going to get started. Haha, gotcha. Of course I'm going to show you mix and flake. Let me, all right. Here's the greasy black. We're going to put some in there. How much? Let's see. So let's get that mixed up. That's pretty good. You want to have your stick covered pretty good with it. So you want to probably put a little bit more in there. A lot of it more. So that's good. See how the stick is fully covered? That'll be good. All right. Let me get my respirator set up and get cleaned up just a little bit, and then I'll get you All right, you're going in the little box here. Hopefully you can see. If you can't, well, I'm sorry. You see me? Ah! All right. Well, it's hard to see through my mask how it looks, but alright. Well, I'm going to clean up my gun and get out of here. Good morning. So we're going to do our first look at the chassis since I painted it yesterday. I pretty much just wanted to leave it because using urethane enamel clear takes a while to dry, and I pretty much painted in a dusty garage, so I didn't want to disturb it at all. So you and I are going to see this for the first time, see how it came out. I feel it's going to look alright, hopefully. But the poor 57 had to sit outside all night by itself. Hopefully it wasn't worried too much. Alright. Anyway, I'm going to put you on my hat clip here. And let's see what we got. I see very dirty floors. I see some shiny. Alright, let's get the light on. Man, it stinks in here. It's from where I retreated. Well, it's got some flake to it. The speed holes look really cool with the clear on them. They really pop. Wow. I'm liking it. I gotta be careful with this. This feels pretty damn tippy. So I think the first order of business is to get my cart set up, and man, it's still windy. Cannot get away from this. Yep, looks good. The flake is very minute. I probably could have gone with something a little bit more crazy, but I don't know. I don't think the lighting here is going to pick it up, even with my eyes. But maybe the sunlight will kick some of it in. I wasn't banking on having this, you know, very eye-popping with the flake on the chassis, but I did want it to be fun. But let's see what happens. I think right around here is where I put it. Now the frame can roll. get it outside and let it hang out. Looking good. It got dusty. Not in the paint, but on top. Actually, it looks more dusty because it's actually flaking that. That's funny. Alright. Well, this will be the final part of this video. Like I said, we're going to be adding some paint. Well, we're going to be doing some painting on some other stuff that bolts to this, which everything bolts to the car. But that'll be for our next video. So keep watching, like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you think. I'm liking it. Alright, have a good one. So Gary,
Yes.
what do you think the motor's gonna sound like? This one right here, for the T. What? No.
What's it gonna sound like?
Rum 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 rum.
I can't do it.
Rum 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 rum.
So you didn't feed the dog?
Oh boy. Trying to make engine sounds. He's talking about feeding the dogs.